this video, I will be talking about the Bitcoin shorts that are currently getting closed significantly, and over the past 6 days, 73% of all Bitcoin shorts got closed in the market. So I will be discussing this and much more on today's video, because currently Bitcoin is breaking a downtrend that has been here for over 300 days, and I will be discussing as well many other interesting charts, also a new trade I will be taking anytime soon here, and much more on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we today maybe reach 500 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. But with that being said, let's jump straight away in towards the content. Once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can straight away see here, if we're going to look back at the previous range here, where Bitcoin was consolidating for an approximately 8 days, we were getting rejected by the 21.7k several times in a row. And if we're going to be looking at the level right now here, we can see we start to see a small little fake out above it. However, currently we still officially not confirmed the breakout above, since we once again closed below it, and currently we're still having major problems around this level, just like we were having previously around. So yes, the big level to be breaking right now is that 21.7k, and you can better really see it on the 4-hourly time frame, because on the 4-hourly time frame you can clearly see this box, while previously around provided significant resistance, like you can see happened over here, and if we're going to look at the current zone, we can see we also got rejected by this level over here, and once again the 4-hourly candle still not confirmed a bullish breakout above. So that is of course the level we need to be breaking in this case right now, and if we do break above this level, I do expect significant upside will be following. However, currently I am anticipating that Bitcoin is potentially going to fall a little bit towards the downside, towards levels around 20.8k. If that happens, if Bitcoin falls down to 20.8k, I will be accumulating a new long position, because like you can currently see on the Bybit exchange, I have currently set up multiple orders here on the 20.8k and the 20.5k to be accumulating a new long position, and I will be opening this new long position with an approximately 10x leverage. And if you also want to be trading on Bybit, don't forget to check out the link in the description. First of all, if you sign up using my link, you will be getting a deposit bonus up to $4,000, and on top of that, you can claim a free $1,000 long or short position if you deposit $1,000 on the Bybit exchange. So make sure to check it out, and it is going to be only be valid for new members only. So don't forget to check out the link in the description right now and sign up using the link. Furthermore, what I want to be adding towards this chart, and the reason why I'm accumulating around to 20.8k and the 20.5k, is that the 20.5k is basically the previous range high on the market. Once we retest that level, I would like to be accumulating a long position. If we don't touch it, I will be already accumulated as well on the 20.8k. I am basically going to be dollar cost averaging in towards this trade. But what we can currently see, if this comes down here, if Bitcoin comes down towards levels around 20.8k, we're going to be potentially form a scenario of a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, what's going to be making up a beautiful inverse head and shoulders on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency price section. And to me, it does make a lot of sense to see this playing out, because once I'm looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can currently clearly see Bitcoin is losing a significant amount of momentum. You can see the RSI is coming down significantly, while the price action is still forming higher highs. So yes, we're currently seeing a price divergence, and due to that, I am setting up my long orders on 20.8k, or I will be also opening a new long position if Bitcoin clearly breaks above the 21.7k 4-hour resistance target over here on this chart. Furthermore, we can see on the 4-hourly time frame as well, the 21.8k is clearly a level of resistance, because once looking at this red line of resistance, we can see previously around we got supported by this level, we got rejected 3 times in a row right here, and currently once again, like you can see, if I'm zooming in, we're once again getting rejected by this level. So yeah, currently I do think the 21.8k is also really the level to be breaking on the 4-hourly time frame, and on the previous 4-hourly candle, we really got significantly rejected by this level. So make sure that you put all your attention towards this level right now. Furthermore, we can see on the daily time frame that Bitcoin officially broke bullish on the daily time frame. You can currently see we basically found significant resistance on this level in the past. We got rejected multiple days in a row here. We got rejected for 5 days in a row over here as well at the end point of August, and currently we closed above it, and yeah, it looks to be that the 21.6k is flipping in towards daily support. So yes, I honestly think we are looking quite bullish for Bitcoin right here. We are seeing the 21.6k providing significant support, and as long as we're trading above it, I do think that Bitcoin on the daily time frame, on the higher time frames, is looking very bullish. First of all, we confirmed a higher high on the daily candles. And second of all, we are breaking above this key level of resistance. Then as well, you can see on the daily super trend, we currently are officially flip bullish. And due to that, I also expect there is going to be more upside, a small little uptrend going to get formed in the coming days ahead of ourselves, especially after we saw this very strong bullish daily candle close 3 days ago here. Furthermore, we can see the daily falling wedge also beautifully playing out here. And the price target of this wedge is all the way back towards 24.5k. So yeah, I am technically still targeting this level here, and that's going to be from this point onwards another approximately 13% move here. And just like we were waiting for the $19,000 of the rising wedge we created, and that was of course the technical price target. In the end of the day, it took quite a while here, but we still reached our technical price target, and currently our technical price target of the falling wedge is going to be around at 24.5k. So do expect that we are probably going to see that level getting touched in the coming 10 to 12 days ahead of ourselves. That is my time window I'm going to be aiming for. If it's going to be happening earlier, I'm definitely going to be alright with it, but don't expect it's going to be happening tomorrow, because these things can definitely take a while, especially on that daily time frame. Furthermore, we can see that the Bitcoin shorts are getting close significantly, and this is a big signal for all the cryptocurrency traders out there, because yes, if we're going to look what happens basically every single time the Bitcoin short closes, if I do overlay the Bitcoin chart on top of it, and if I also place this chart we're currently looking at in a line graph, we can see something very interesting playing out currently on the market, because every single time, historically speaking, once the shorts are spiking, it means that we are basically looking at a short-term low in the market. We're looking at the short-term low in the market, and I also told you guys this while we were trading on the exact low here. And currently, we can see the shorts came down significantly, what means a significant amount of anticipation for shorts got out of the market. And due to that, usually once that happens, we tend to see the price action for Bitcoin rise once again a little bit here. We can see this happening many times in the past, because here back in the basically bull market in 2021, we saw the short spike exactly on the bottom, and once the shorts went out of the market, we started to see the price action once again grow again. So once again, we're currently seeing similar things here. The shorts significantly are getting closed there, and to be exact, if we're going to be looking at how much percentage of the shorts is getting closed, it is over 70% of all the Bitcoin shorts that currently got closed in the past 6 days here. So make sure that so be aware, this is a very big signal that we're currently spotting on the market. And don't forget to subscribe on the channel, because if you're subscribed on the channel, you won't miss out on any of these important things that you need to be paying attention towards on this market. Furthermore, we can see that the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, this significant resistance that has been here for over approximately 300 days, officially got broken. Bitcoin broke out of a weekly downtrend that was here for over 300 days. And this is, in my opinion, an extremely bullish signal. And as well, we could definitely look at the price action right now as well as this falling wedge structure, because yes, Bitcoin is creating a gigantic falling wedge on the weekly time frame. And honestly, I've been talking about this falling wedge for quite a long time already for what is it, maybe 100, maybe 150 days, and currently we're breaking outside of it. And this is definitely a pattern you should be looking at right now in the market. So Bitcoin falling wedge, technical price target of this wedge here is all the way back up towards the previous all-time high. And I once again will be saying this, don't expect that this is going to be happening overnight. This is definitely going to take weeks, not even months ahead of ourselves before we're probably going to reach this price target. Personally, I do think that Bitcoin is going to trade somewhere around the previous all-time high in the coming 24 months ahead of ourselves. And I personally already think went through the previous all-time high in 24 months from now on. But definitely, I do think that this is currently a very good time for accumulation. And also, if we're already going to be looking at the weekly time frame, put up basically the chart on the weekly time frame, we can see officially we confirmed the double bottom on Bitcoin. We closed the weekly candle, we formed a higher low on the weekly time frame. This is a beautiful double bottom, and honestly, if we do see a break above that $25,000, basically this resistance target on the top side, Bitcoin is just going to be breaking bullish of a W pattern, and the technical price target of that breakout is going to be somewhere around, let me say this correctly, $31,000 for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is definitely getting ready for some massive moves in the market. If we do break above $25,000, I personally think the sky is going to be the limit for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to recover quickly, and $30,000 Bitcoin, a $30,000 Bitcoin is already from here on an approximately 40% move. So make sure to get ready. Things can happen very quickly. And I mean, don't say I've not warned you, because we are currently clearly seeing what is playing out on the weekly time frame. We're forming the double bottom, and you need to be paying attention towards this right now. Then the last thing I want to be adding is, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. We are currently seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is trading significantly low, and the Ethereum current dominance is trading very high, and we are running in towards a multi-year resistance. We got rejected by it in the end of 2021, at the midpoint of 2021. And once again, we're getting rejected by this level. And this could even be a very interesting play of a potential head and shoulders pattern. Yes, we are currently forming a lower high on the weekly time frame. So yeah, be very much aware. I personally think that Ethereum on this chart all alone is not looking all too strong here. However, we just want to wait and see how it is going to be playing out. So far, we're still holding up towards this beautiful upward sloping support line. This is also the level we should be looking at. And if we do break below it, then we should definitely start to be worrying. But anyways, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes wide open on this level of resistance for Ethereum. So this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button. I will be accumulating this trade over here on the market. 20.5k, 20.8k is where I will be opening my next long positions on Bitcoin, because yes, Bitcoin is officially breaking bullish, and right now on the retracements, I will be liking to be accumulating new long positions. So I am definitely getting ready. Don't forget to claim your own free deposit bonus and your own free trade on Bybit right now by signing up using the link in the description. But anyways, this was it for today's update video. I hope to catch you guys in the next one, and peace out. Goodbye.